Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I will design a clean, responsive single product view page for our eShop. I will first show the UI, then explain the HTML, CSS, Bootstrap code that makes it responsive. So let's go to my video. So this is our single product view page. At the top we have the header with sign in, register, help, sell and my shop, my eShop. The breadcrumb shows home single product view. The product title is here. For example, Apple iPhone 12 with star rating and number of reviews. Pricing shows original price, discount price and how much you save. Warranty, return policy and stock status are clearly visible. Seller details, seller name and item sold. A small discount banner reminds users of the cart offers. Quantity selected, plus buy now, add to cart and watch list button. On the left, multiple thumbnails and one main product image area. Below, related items, product details, brand, model description and so feedbacks. Now I will switch the small screen. Now I am switched to a smaller screen. So I clicked left button on the mouse and I go to the inspect. So now we are in a small screen. Mobile devices. Notice how columns stack nearly and spacing adjusts. The layout stay readable on mobile thanks to Bootstrap's grid and utility classes. The page is built with Bootstrap's grid. We divided the main section into two parts. Images on the left, details on the right. On large screen, sit side by side. On a small screen, they stack simple, predictable and responsive. So now we are going to my coding part. So let's open my Visual Studio Code. So this is my Visual Studio Code. In the head, we linked bootstrap.css, bootstrap icon.css and our style.css. We also include header PHP so the header stays consistent across the page. This is modular and easy to maintain. For the main product area, I am using a bootstrap row with two columns. The left column, thumbnails and the main images. Thumbnails use image thumbnails and a small fixed width height for tidy look. Right column, title, rating, pricing, badges, seller information and buttons. I use order 1, order LG 2 classes. When needed to change the order on mobile, we use desktop. The title is simple heading with a margin bottom class. Rating use bootstrap icon, styled in yellow and along with a small text count. Price is shown as original price with a muted stuck thought style. Discounted price highlighted. Saving amount and percentage is a small. Success collage badget. This list with small icons or badges. For example, warranty 6 months, return 1 month and stock In stock 10 items or out of stock. Seller's name and sold, for example, 100 items. Each item used deflex and gap classes for alignment and spacing, keeping the section compact and readable. The quantity control is a number input with main equal 1. Buttons, buy now in green. Add to cart is primary, which this is an outline button with a header icon. Use disable state of the product in out of stock. Related items use a simple card layout, image, short title, price and view. Go button. Product details is a small table or list, brand, model and description. Feedback show a username, rating, stars and short comment. Keep each section in its own content with a heading and consistent space. So, key classes: grid, row call 12, call MD6, call LG408 for adaptive widths. Spacing, empty, MB, P dash, gap dash to control wide space. Display and order, deflex, flex wraps, order 1, order LG2 to record content on different breakpoints. Typography, FW bold, and text muted, small for empties and so etc. I keep CSS light only for thumbnail size, image fit and small visual tweaks. Most layout comes from Bootstrap, so it is easy to maintain. So if you want, add a tiny script to clicking a thumbnail, update the main image and display buy now if stock is 0. Keep logic simple and user-friendly. We built a clean single product view, clear images, pricing and savings, ratings, warranty, returns. Warranty means returns, sellers information, stock and strong call to action buttons, plus related items and feedback. Everything is responsive and Bootstrap. You saw it. You see it. That is it for this page. If you want me to try this to your exact files or convert this script into Singular, tell me your field names and I will customize it. Thank you for watching my video.